Anyway, the intelligent autopilot systems are so awesome. It's really relaxing now when you have driven far and you just like just relax in the arms or whatever. You can let it control everything by itself. Also, another really interesting thing is that my first generation carbon ceramic brakes on the Audi A8L W12 had really delay when it was wet. It's like 1 second delay before gripping. But these carbon brakes, they don't have any delay at all. It's like stunning. So, can we overtake this sucker? I guess not. We're screwed. How the hell should we pass this guy? It's gonna be a boring drive. I have Porsche InnoDrive to help me. So smooth, autonomous driving. Incredible. Just like that, it relaxes. Guess you can like have something on the steering wheel, but see, it would probably break down to really slow speed. Oh, they're going in. Perfect. I'm a bit worried of the InnoDrive, but no, it's taking care of the situation. Frustrating with the active. It's a huge truck. Frustrating thing with the active. Okay, it's merging. With the active. Or maybe we can overtake here. No.
Kör in i rondellen om 800 meter. Kör ut ur rondellen via den andra avfarten.
I'm not sure how the InnoDrive reacts to the reflex things to the left. How will it fare on a roundabout? I'm not so sure. See the regeneration, the green at 12 o'clock.
Kör ut ur rondellen via den andra avfarten.
I'm too scared to have it live on its own here. Let's have it here then. It's too tight.
Kör in i rondellen om 400 meter. Kör ut ur rondellen via den andra avfarten och följ sedan E18 mot Stockholm.
Oh, now see. No, it's disconnecting on and off the
Kör ut ur
InnoDrive.
rondellen via den andra avfarten.
Her voice is really annoying, and she like kind auto starts. She thinks I'm talking to her when I'm not talking to her. Incredibly annoying. Incredibly frustrating. Oh, 60 here. Let's start this InnoDrive. Oh, I'm pressing the wrong button. It's talk to speak again. Okay, InnoDrive is active. It's gonna fix a red light here. No, it's a roundabout.
Kör ut ur rondellen via den
I'm not so happy
avfarten.
being next to trucks and a roundabout. Yeah. Yeah, just particularly for that reason. More trucking moron.
Var god följ vägen i 233 kilometer.
Keep on trucking. Anyway, that's about it.